Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing tonight? I'm here with a little bit of happy mail from Tina. I received a giant happy mail, a giant wonderful happy mail from her a couple weeks ago, and I'm still going to do a giveaway, you know, like a pay it forward or share type of giveaway with her previous, you know, giant happy mail, but just haven't had time to organize that and do that video. So I am fully intending to still do that. I just have to get it together on that. But in the meantime, she sent me another little happy mail, and I wanted to share it because it was so cute. So here's the envelope. She decorated with this pretty washi, and this was on the back. You know, it was a strip that went around, so I took off the back piece and put it over our addresses. So that's why it looks like that. And she got all these stamps in here, and I might just save this. I've got a collection of notes and things that arrived in with my happy mail, cards and things that I have a little stack over on my desk that I need to organize and put into a journal or whatever we want, smash journal, scrapbook, whatever. So one day I'm going to tackle that, and I should get started because the pile is getting bigger and bigger, which is good. You know, always nice to receive happy mail and, you know, goodies in the mail. So yeah, that's fun. But anyway, on to what I got. So this is what she sent me, and I thought it was so cool. I wanted to share it the way she did this. So this looks like, to me, a paper bag. I believe it is a paper bag. You know, sometimes it's hard to interpret what others have made, and so you just have to look at it, enjoy it. But I believe this is a paper bag, and I thought it was so cool because I've never done anything like this. I've used paper bags in all kinds of ways in my journals, and I use paper bags to put goodies in, but I usually just, you know, put them inside and, you know, include it with my journal, in journals that I, you know, that people buy from my Etsy shop. So that, you know, for goodies. So this is what she did here. What Tina did was, it looks like she folded up the bottom in this way, and I'm going to have to figure this out. I'm sure it's not too complicated, but she does have it folded in a special way here. I might have to take the staples out and then restaple it to figure it out. But anyway, she's got it folded up so nicely here, and it has a front pocket. Here's what the back looks like. She's got it stapled right here, okay? So that made a pocket right here in front. And so she's got goodies in this pocket right here. It's a good sized pocket, so you can fit a lot of things in there. And this feels thick once you have it folded up like this. It's nice and sturdy and thick. So in here, really cool, she made another little pocket here out of it's like an envelope with a window. Say, here's the back, the envelope part, and then here's the like window part right here. And she's got some goodies in here. So that's the inside of the envelope with the security, you know, pattern there on that. And that's a pretty pattern. I like that. It's blue and white. So, and then in here, she's got some little, this is like, I already looked at this. I couldn't help myself. So, this is from like a little instruction booklet for darts. And it looks vintage, of course. It's all kind of browning and stuff, but really cool little graphics here. You know, us paper freaks love stuff like this. You know what I mean? Just a little dartboard graphic there, and here's another little one here, a target, I guess, and just, you know, the fonts and the colors. It looks like a purplish color. Here's the back. So really cool little page from a dart book there. And then here's some other little goodies of labels and some pieces, paper pieces and bits. Here's a postage meter stamp, a little mouse, and some tickets, yellow and white. I don't think I have that color. So that is awesome. I love these little tickets that people send me because they're always different from what I have, you know what I mean? There's just so many different kinds and colors of those tickets. So that was a neat little way to do a pocket there. I like that. I'm going to have to try to remember to do that too. And I love the bag, the way she did it. But that's not all. Hold on. Let me put this back the way she had it because I think that was so cute. And then, oh, she sent me a postcard. Really beautiful vintage postcard. It says something about Florida here. So maybe this is a tree in Florida. Let's see. Royal Poinciana tree, Miami, Florida. So in full bloom, and it's on a waterway here. So really pretty. And those are really vibrant colors. Hopefully they'll show up in the camera because it's so pretty. So thank you, Tina. This is so cool. And okay, there's more. So in the bag part, she's got more. So she's got, actually, I haven't looked at all the pieces in here yet. So it goes down deep, down to the bottom. So you're able to put a lot in this pocket if you want to make a pocket in this way. So it's like a double pocket. And then in here, she had some pieces of, like, this is pretty cardstock that I can use in my journals. I can make tags out of these, or a little card, fold them in half, or a bookmark. So cool and so pretty. And look at this one with the butterfly. Different from anything I have. So very, very neat. Really beautiful. Oh, this one has birds on it too. Isn't that cool? Very pretty. This is like a map over here. Looks like a map. So oh, there's the butterfly. So really neat. I don't know what these are from, but I'm glad she sent them to me because I love stuff like that, little pieces like that. I definitely will use those. And then here, so in this bag, she's got stapled a little plastic pocket. So it's folded over right here. And this is a little, it's a little Ziploc kind of bag. And so let me see, I guess I'm gonna have to pull it off here in order to open it. I might get let me get my staple remover so I can not tear that bag. So I want to save that. That's really cool. Let's see, did I put my, yes I did. Getting worried that I didn't put it back, you know, that I'd have to go looking for it. But I've got it here. So let's take these staples out. Would have done this ahead of time. But I haven't looked in this little bag yet because, as you can see, it's still stapled on here. Plus, you know, more fun for the camera, right? More fun for you guys. Fun for both of us. So I hope everybody had a great day. I had a very good day, I guess, at work. It's decent. So now I get to have some fun. Hopefully I'll be able to do some crafting after this. So what are you all working on tonight? I'm working on those little mini journals I showed last night's video. Some little mini Halloween journals. Oh, these are really cool. These are little clusters. Awesome. Isn't that cute? And look at this little, it's a little button. Oh my goodness, that is the prettiest little button there. Let me show you up close because that is beautiful little button. Isn't that awesome? So she stapled 2 layers of, this has like a lacy edge on it. So there's a piece of fabric with lacy edge on the bottom. Then some flowered, kind of flower, it looks like a flowery fabric. Then a piece of cardstock in a heart shape. Then a piece of book page, and then the button. And I'm trying to see how the button is on there. Maybe it's glued, I really don't know, but it's on there really good, however it's on there. So really cute little button, and it's got like a button with metal behind it, so I don't know if it was, if she put those together or if it was like that when it was a button, but very cute, and the color is really neat. It looks like turquoise for turquoise dreaming. So awesome. Thank you, Tina. So cute. And then here's 2 more. So a piece of cardstock with 2 pieces of fabric, like the same type in the last one, you know, the lacy edge, the flower, cardstock heart, and a pretty like mint green button there. And those are really nice just to glue down onto something like a pocket or a tag or anything like that. Envelope, if you're doing decorating envelopes, that would be really cute to put like where you, in a spot where you put the postage. Wouldn't that be cute? So anyway, awesome. So cute. This gives me lots of ideas here. So this one has, let's see, cardstock, the lacy edge fabric, the floral book page. It has text on it, so maybe a book page or music. Okay, this is music right here. I see the music behind here. And then this is a, oh, this is a postage stamp, like a used postmark postage stamp. It says Happy Holidays. I couldn't read it at first. I almost thought it said Thanksgiving, and then I said, no, that doesn't say Thanksgiving. It says Happy Holidays. So it's a canceled little stamp. It looks like a little snowy, maybe a birdhouse. And then she's got a wing on there, like a bird wing. And it's a little metal, like bronze. Bronze, I think it's bronze. I don't think, it might be silver. Hard to see in this light, but actually on the camera it looks silver. So, from what I'm seeing anyway. Isn't that cute? So, thank you so much, Tina. Something different and so cute. So, thank you so much. I love it, and I will put these to good use, and hopefully you will all see them soon in some of my journals. So I'll say goodnight for right now, and I'm going to be back maybe with, I thought I might show you my TV craft for this week. I've been having a lot of fun with that, so I might come back if I can stay awake long enough to do another video and show you my TV craft. Something simple but super fun. And maybe you've seen it before, maybe you haven't, but anyway, I'm having fun with it. So see y'all next time, and happy crafting. Have a good night.